And just like that, we found a winning product we can potentially test. What's poppin', people? It's your boy, the beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video, dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, then hello and welcome. If it isn't, then it's nice to see you again. If you get some value from this video, please do, of course, like, comment, and make sure you smash that subscribe button. And please be sure to, of course, hit that notification bell as well, so you stay up to date with all of my latest videos, because you do not want to miss out on any of my upcoming content. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about how you can find $1,000 a day products on Instagram. Okay, now a lot of people generally search Facebook to find winning products. There's tons of different ways how you can find products, but Instagram is an absolute gold mine for finding winning products. Remember, some marketers run campaigns exclusively on Instagram, meaning that you will not be able to find it no matter what you do on Facebook. Now, I've been super busy working on tons of different things. Now, next week is Q4. I'm still working hard on the course, putting out content, working on my stores and new projects as well. So all systems go right about now, but I thought I had to share this video with you guys to help you, because at the end of the day, we're coming up to the biggest e-commerce period in the whole of the year. So you need to be finding winning products ASAP and start testing them aggressively. So of course, make sure you stay to the end, watch all of the video, consume all of the content, and most importantly, go out and implement and find these winning products. So let's jump into the computer and show you how it all works. Right, so let's jump straight into this video on finding these winning products on Instagram. Now, I've recorded my screen when I was using my phone, literally as I was scrolling through doing this video, doing exactly what I was trying to achieve with this video. So I thought, this would be cool to drop a video on this. So yeah, I'm going to play this video and talk through it essentially on what I'm looking for and what I'm doing. Also, PS, shout out my boy Jordan and Arie on my screen there. I know you guys know who they are. They're both killer. So let me just show you what I'm doing. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is just basically just scroll down your feed. Obviously, excuse everyone else who you're seeing on here. So we come across this product here. It looks like it's a camera phone, a camera lens. Essentially, it's a lens for camera lenses. I'm looking at the views, 6.5 million views there. It's got a bit.ly link as well, so we can also, check out the views on that. Now, what I like to do is always save it. So I like to save it to my saved. That's what I always do when I find something. And then I click on it. Now, basically, once you click on it, you want to this is going to fire the Facebook pixel, of course. So you're getting targeted for this product. You're firing for it. So looking at this product here, it looks like it's a brand. So it's it's not dropshipping store or anything like that. They've got upsells up on here, well, they're bundles, sorry, whereby if you buy more, you get a discount, but a great way to increase your AOV as well. So it looks like a pretty cool product. It looks like it's branded. You could probably, find something similar, but nevertheless, these guys have designed this completely, from scratch, what it looks like. So to show you what I do with the saved, so if you have to go to your profile at the top right hand corner, and then if you click saved, and you can see this is where I save all of the products that I get targeted for. Okay, so this is just building up a bank of products to test. Okay, there's how many videos there. That's the one that we just saw. That I can just go through and just test these products. So heading back, to scrolling back down, see if we can find something else. That looks like a brand. Again, this is another product. It looks like a brand as well, but they've got a cool video. Looks like it's a bag, which let's keep scrolling through there. Here's another product. It looks like a device for, the views aren't that great. I mean, it's got 231,000. Could be okay. Let's click on it and see. So it looks like it's a mini projector. Now, a product similar like this last year was doing kind of well. Someone made quite a bit of money off this. But their product description is okay. They've got pictures on there, different things, but let's keep scrolling. Here's another product here. Again, not fantastic views, but it looks like it's a cool product. 3D pen. So it looks like you can basically build 3D products with a pen. Not sure the technology behind it, but let's click on it anyway. So we're getting fired for the pixel. And if we scroll down, look at the products, see what it's like. So that's what you can build. Website is a little bit laggy, to be honest. It's not the best built website. So let's see what £76. Let's add it to the cart at some point. If you scroll down, look at the product, look at the description. Now let's just add it to the cart. That's what I always do. Always add the product to your cart when you find something. Okay, you want to be fired. You want to get put into Facebook's, bucket of potential people that are gonna buy, essentially. So that's why I always add it to my cart and always initiate checkout as well, because that Facebook will keep firing. So let's keep scrolling, see if we can find anything. That's a brand. Let's find something else. That's a brand as well. Here's the products. So this is a posture corrector, it looks like. So they've got a very engaging video, and this is a product that solves a problem. So people have this problem, day in, day out, correcting people's posture. When I'm sometimes working, it's always like, you're a little bit hunched over, and some days you wake up in the morning and it's like your back is just, you need like a massage or something. So this is what this product essentially does from the looks of it. It helps correct your posture. And if we look at how many views this product has got, okay, 9 million views down there. So you can see that this product here is a winner for somebody, essentially. This is a winning product for this store, little style shop store. So this is basically a winner, okay? So what you always want to do is, it's got a bit.ly link there as well. So we'll check that out in a moment in time. And let's hit save as well. That's what we want to do. We always want to save it. Make sure that it's in our saved, so that we can refer back to it. And again, Instagram and Facebook take that into consideration as well every time you save something. So let's have a look at the actual product, okay? See what that looks like. So here's their store, very clean pictures, It says what it does. They've got a pop-up there as well saying so-and-so's brought it. Nice big add to cart button. Again, why do you need this? Calling out people's problems, okay? Straight away. So why? They've got frequently asked questions as well, which is pretty cool. They look like testimonials. So they've got what other people say. And they've got a scroll in, they've got a hover, a sticky add to cart button, which is pretty cool as well. Something that you could test. Again, they've got a guarantee there. Again, removing that friction. They've got frequently bought together, which is like what Amazon do to increase your AOV. And of course, they've got reviews. So all the things that I generally talk about, okay, that they're doing. So this is a winning product. Product description page, again, fantastic. Can't really fault it that much. And it wouldn't really surprise me if this product is making someone a lot of money. So again, I want to add it to my cart. Again, they've even got an upsell in there. Do I want this? No, I don't want this, but nevertheless, that is, an upsell, and sure, it's converting for some people. Again, I want to initiate checkout as well. So yeah, that product there is a winning product for someone. Now, what I've done is I've pulled up the bit.ly link for that product because they had a bit.ly link. And what you can do is if you put in the bit.ly link and put a plus sign at the end, you can pull up all of the metrics. And we can see that it's had 78,000 clicks from the 26th of August, which is approximately about a month, just over a month. So this product has been, doing fantastic for people, for someone essentially. On one day, it had over 4,000 clicks, okay? And if we scroll down, we can see whereabouts all of the clicks are coming from. So the states make up 10,000, United Kingdom, Australia, and we can't really see the rest of them all. And of course here we've got all of it coming from Facebook/Instagram, and then we've got email. So this is a fantastic product, okay? And again, we can just literally just go and see if we can find this exact same product on AliExpress. And if we do, we can see that we can find this product here. This is what it's, so that is it there. So it's $4 essentially. Obviously it will be more with with e-packet shipping on. Let me just change it to the States, US dollars. let's see if how much would it be with e-packet shipping. So $7, and they're selling it for, or let's change that to US dollars, $24, which it may probably have shipping attached to that as well. So they're making a nice amount off it. Again, although they've got upsells on there, frequently bought, and yeah, that's for me, that's a winning product and something that, you know, would be 100% worth a test. Another thing you can do as well is, this was another product that we saw, is you on Instagram, sometimes the profiles ain't actually clickable, so you can't click on them. But what you can do is you can actually just do a search for their store name and it pulls up their page. And of course we can head down to info and ads, and here is the exact same product. And if we show the URL, we can go to it and, you know, have a look at it, see what the copy's like, see the customers, you know, comments and all that sort of thing. Okay, so this is one way that you can use Instagram to find winning products. And remember, sometimes people are just running Instagram only campaigns, which means that no matter what searching you do on Facebook, it just won't pop up. So when you are scrolling down, liking your friends' pictures, liking your dog, liking your friend's dog and your friend's ugly baby and all those sorts of things, just start looking at products and finding the products, saving them, adding them to your cart and initiating checkout. And that's how you find winning products on Instagram. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and of course, smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well so you stay up to date with all of my latest content. Now, I am working super hard on my upcoming course, and if you like this video, you're going to absolutely love it. Okay, so if you want to be on the waitlist and get notified before anybody else, then click the link down below and join the waitlist. I hope you can see how powerful Instagram is. And remember, marketers sometimes run campaigns exclusively just on Instagram. So you want to be where those products are. Don't just rely on Facebook all of the time. When you're scrolling down your feed and find something that looks good, save it. And of course, visit the website, add it to your cart, and then initiate checkout so you get targeted for these types of products again and again and again. Make sure you join my free Facebook mastermind group. I'm in there, other marketers are in there. The link for that will be down below. Hit me up on Instagram as well. Drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and we can connect on there. So that is it for this video, and I'll be back with another one, dropping nothing but, you already know, value bombs. Take care, and I'll see you later.
Yeah.